Experience the essence of Hompton Hotel, where every moment is designed to create unforgettable memories. Wake up to the breathtaking full sea view that greets you with warmth and tranquility. Start your day with a delicious breakfast, served with a smile. Everyone is welcome to enjoy our sumptuous breakfast spread at Spice Garden. Our easy-to-find location makes grab services available at all time. As the day unfolds, immerse yourself in the vibrant colors of the sunset while indulging in our picnic set. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin as you relax and unwind in the company of friends or loved ones. Book your stay today and let us take care of the rest. Be at home, be at Hompton.